If you're an overworked business owner, then this could be the most important video that you watch all week, because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips that, quite frankly, if you implement, is going to change your life for the better. I'm Coach Ben and I specialise in helping busy business owners and entrepreneurs get their time back so they can focus on doing the awesome things they want to do, not all of the admin that they have to do. So if that's your kind of thing, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. So tip number 1, make sure you lock in your goals and a routine that supports those goals. We all know running a business, there are so many tasks and different to-dos that come flying at us that veer us away, off track, away from our main goals, which is why it's important that you are crystal clear focused on what those main drivers, those main goals are, and that you build a routine that allows you to, even on the days when you are most unmotivated, allows you to still continue to make progress towards those goals and protects your time so that you don't get pulled in 100 different directions with 100 different tasks. Tip number 2, learn and improve every single day. This is what separates people that do really well from the people that do okay. It's the people that have that thirst for knowledge. Whatever your sector may be, your specialism, every day should be a school day. You should be trying to learn one new thing every single day, because this is going to not only enhance your business, it will improve your decision-making skills, and there is a ton of different ways you can do this. Obviously, you can read books, you can do courses, you can have a mentor, a coach, a non-exec director, whatever that may be. One of my favorites is audiobooks, because I'm able to listen to things on the go as I'm out and about. And another hack with this is if you use something called Blinkist, which condenses books down into like 5-10 minute blinks, they call them. But once you've been through that, you get the main bulk, the main takeaways from that book. The benefit is if you find that really good and you get something good from it, you can then go to Audible or you can buy the book and go through the whole thing. But it's a really good way of sifting through and trying before you buy. Tip number 3, make time for your health and well-being. You need your body to look after you, so you've got to look after it, and that means keeping it fit and strong. I'm talking about making time to do some exercise to be able to move and looking at what you're fueling your body with. If you put crap in, you're gonna get crap out. You're gonna have more downtime because you're gonna be sick. It's also gonna affect your mood and your mental health. If you look at, say, serotonin, the happy hormone as it's often called, you know, the majority of this is made in your gut. So quite honestly, if you're putting crap in, don't expect good stuff out. You know, this is really important. So if you want your body, your mental health and everything to stay tip top, you need to look after your exercise and your nutrition. Tip number 4, really important, could have combined this with the last one, but make sure you are getting enough sleep. Mr. Amazon himself was famous for saying that he would not get less than 8 hours of sleep a night. And the point being, if you don't get enough sleep, you're not giving your brain enough chance to rest, you're not getting enough downtime, you are gonna make bad decisions. And ultimately, being a business owner, the majority of what you do is going to be relying on yourself to make the right decisions at the right time. So if you're not getting enough sleep, you might think that you're getting a little bit more productivity, but actually you're harming yourself long term. So make sure you are aiming for a minimum of 8 hours a night. And tip number 5, block out and, more importantly, protect your downtime, recovery time and personal time. Time with your friends and family. This is going to help you avoid burnout. It's going to help you avoid annoying your family to the point they don't want anything to do with you anymore, because then you'll have plenty of time on your hands, which you ultimately don't want. Do not make the mistake of falling into the trap of trying to delay all the gratification, the time with your family and friends now, to push it out for a later date to be able to work your butt off now, because you are just setting the routine from the start in the wrong way. Make sure that the time when you are working, you really are working and you're sectioned off to do that. But make sure your recovery time and your personal time, time to go and exercise, all of that is already booked into your calendar, just like normal meetings. If you get it booked in from the start, it's set and ready to go. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And also, if you are struggling to get your time back, if you find that your business is constantly sucking you in to a load of admin and firefighting, then feel free to book a free clarity call. The link will be in the description, and we'll be able to go through together and uncover exactly what is sucking you into your business how you can cancel it off once and for all so that you can get back to spending your time on awesome things that you want to do, not a load of admin that you don't. And I will see you in the next video.